Now we can use the React Native command for generating a new React Native app. For this, we type React Native init and the name of the app. In our case, we call it GitHub Browser. Okay, so it's done its magic and it's generated our new app. Let's copy this on our clipboard and open this folder in Sublime Text, which is my preferred script editor. Any text editor should work fine. Back in Terminal, we paste the string we got from the terminal over here and run it. This opens the generated project in Xcode. In Xcode, we press this play button over here to build our project and launch it in the simulator. As you can see, it also launches a command line. What's this about? Well, this process monitors your source files and compile it from JSX to pure JavaScript. It also houses a web server which the simulator uses to pull the compiled files from. Don't worry about it too much. As long as this is running, you really have to look at it. Xcode also launches the simulator for us, containing our very first React Native app. I really like that they've got the instructions for the next step in the workflow right here in the app. Let's do what they suggest and press Command-Control-Z to launch the dev menu. If you're following along and this doesn't work for you, you might need to enable the hardware keyboard for the simulator by pressing Shift, Command and K first. When we select the option to launch the Chrome DevTools, it launches an instance of Chrome which we can use to debug our app. We'll get back to this soon, but first we'll change some code and reload the app to see its effect. When you generate a React Native app like we did earlier, it generates an index.ios.js file, which creates the root view for the app. Don't worry about all the details in this file. We're going to talk about it later on in this course. For now, we just want to make a quick change. We save out the file and go back to our simulator. And here we press Command R and it reloads our view with the latest label. Okay, so that's pretty sweet. The React Native team attempts to keep this reload as quick as possible because you don't want long delays between making changes to your code and seeing the effects.